Are you interested in earning free cryptocurrency tokens without having to invest any money upfront? If so, you might want to consider participating in a Satoshi mining airdrop. These programs have become increasingly popular in the cryptocurrency world, and for good reason. Not only do they provide participants with free Satoshi tokens, but they also encourage engagement and learning within the community. But how can you be eligible to receive a Satoshi mining airdrop? In this video, we'll explore the criteria you need to meet, so you can take advantage of this exciting opportunity. If so, then you may want to consider participating in a Satoshi mining airdrop. This popular program allows participants to earn free Satoshi tokens by completing certain tasks or participating in specific activities. But before you can receive a Satoshi mining airdrop, there are several eligibility criteria that you need to meet. In this article, we will explore these criteria and provide some tips on how to participate in a Satoshi mining airdrop successfully. So, if you're ready to learn more about this exciting opportunity, keep watching. Satoshi mining airdrop is a popular program in the cryptocurrency world that allows participants to earn free Satoshi tokens by simply completing some tasks or participating in specific activities. This program has gained a lot of popularity in recent times, and there are many reasons why participating in Satoshi mining airdrop is beneficial. In this article, we will explore some of the benefits of participating in Satoshi mining airdrop. Free Satoshi tokens. The most obvious benefit of participating in Satoshi mining airdrop is that you can earn free Satoshi tokens. These tokens have real value and can be traded on cryptocurrency exchanges for other cryptocurrencies or even fiat currency. By participating in Satoshi mining airdrop, you can accumulate these tokens over time and use them for various purposes. Opportunity to learn about cryptocurrency. Participating in Satoshi mining airdrop can also be an excellent opportunity for people who are new to the cryptocurrency world to learn about how cryptocurrency works. The program requires participants to complete certain tasks or participate in certain activities, which can help them understand the basics of cryptocurrency and how it can be used. Encourages engagement and participation. Satoshi mining airdrop encourages engagement and participation in the cryptocurrency community. By completing the tasks and activities required for the program, participants can connect with other members of the community and learn more about various aspects of cryptocurrency. This can be an excellent way to network and build relationships within the community. No investment required. One of the best things about Satoshi mining airdrop is that it does not require any investment. Participants can earn free Satoshi tokens without having to spend any money upfront. This makes it an excellent opportunity for people who may not have the resources to invest in cryptocurrency but still want to get involved in the community. Potential for future profits. Finally, participating in Satoshi mining airdrop can have the potential for future profits. If the value of Satoshi tokens increases over time, participants can benefit from holding onto their tokens and then selling them for a profit in the future. This can be a great way to earn some extra income without having to invest any money upfront. In conclusion, participating in Satoshi mining airdrop can be an excellent opportunity for people who are interested in cryptocurrency. It provides free Satoshi tokens, encourages engagement and participation in the community, and has the potential for future profits. So, if you are interested in cryptocurrency, consider participating in Satoshi mining airdrop and see how it can benefit you. Satoshi mining airdrops have become increasingly popular in recent years, particularly as the interest in cryptocurrencies has grown. Satoshi mining airdrops are a way for blockchain projects to distribute their tokens to users, without requiring them to make an investment in the project. Instead, the tokens are distributed for free to users who meet certain criteria. If you're interested in receiving a Satoshi mining airdrop, here are some of the criteria you'll need to meet. Own a Bitcoin wallet. The first requirement to receive a Satoshi mining airdrop is that you need to have a Bitcoin wallet. A Bitcoin wallet is a digital wallet that allows you to send and receive Bitcoin. There are many different Bitcoin wallets available, so it's important to do your research and choose a wallet that is reputable and secure. Be active on social media. Many Satoshi mining airdrops require that you be active on social media. This means that you'll need to have an active account on platforms such as Twitter, Telegram, or Discord. You'll also need to be following the official account of the project that is conducting the airdrop, as this is where they will announce the details of the airdrop. Have a certain amount of Bitcoin. Some Satoshi mining airdrops require that you have a certain amount of Bitcoin in your wallet in order to participate. This is because the project wants to ensure that the users who receive the airdrop are serious about cryptocurrencies and are committed to the project. Complete certain tasks. Many Satoshi mining airdrops require that you complete certain tasks in order to be eligible to receive the tokens. These tasks may include things like retweeting a post, joining a Telegram group, or filling out a form with your personal information. The goal of these tasks is to increase awareness of the project and to encourage more people to participate in the airdrop. Meet geographic restrictions. Some Satoshi mining airdrops are only available to users in certain geographic regions. This may be due to regulatory restrictions or other factors. Before participating in an airdrop, it's important to check whether you are eligible to participate based on your location. In conclusion, receiving a Satoshi mining airdrop can be a great way to get involved in a blockchain project without making a financial investment. However, it's important to remember that not all airdrops are created equal, and some may be scams or may not be worth your time. Always do your research before participating in an airdrop, and make sure that you meet all of the eligibility criteria before applying. With the right approach, a Satoshi mining airdrop can be a valuable opportunity to learn more about cryptocurrencies and to start building your investment portfolio. In conclusion, we have explored the benefits of participating in Satoshi mining airdrop and how to qualify for it. This program can be an excellent opportunity for anyone interested in cryptocurrency to earn free tokens, learn more about the technology, and connect with the community. However, it's important to be cautious and do your research to ensure the legitimacy of the airdrop before participating. So, if you're interested in receiving a Satoshi mining airdrop, follow the eligibility criteria we discussed and take the necessary steps to ensure you meet the requirements. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information valuable. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology.